Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Welcome back. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscribers, you are welcome. I appreciate you so much. Please help me like the video, share and comment. It is very important to let the YT know that people that watch the video are human beings, that they are not robots. It is very important. Yes guys, I have a video to share with us. A lot is going on. People have been posting different things to to attack Simon Ekpa and the Biafra Liberation Army. A lot is going on. People from DOS are trying to discredit the work of the Biafra Liberation Army. Yes, the post we are seeing here is one of the members of DOS saying that Simon Ekpa is claiming to do what Nnamdi Kanu couldn't do and all that. Our understanding is quite different. But when you hate someone, you will go as far as saying something that is meaningless. What Simon Ekpa said is that no matter what people think and no matter what people are doing to make sure that they bring him down and all that, that he will do what Nnamdi Kanu couldn't do. It's not that what Nnamdi Kanu is incapable of doing. There are two different things. Nnamdi Kanu couldn't do what he ought to do with many reasons. People that people that was around him, people that are in DOS may be an obstacle to what Nnamdi Kanu wants. So what Simon Ekpa said is that he will do what Nnamdi Kanu couldn't do. He couldn't do those things because he was kidnapped. He couldn't do it because people that was around him from DOS members are like an obstacle or enemies at door. People don't know what Nnamdi Kanu was passing through. For him to come out publicly and say that he need 100 men, then you ask yourself, how many men are there in DOS? How many men are there in Biafra Liberation? How many men are in IPOB? There are thousands. But he said, I need 100 men to make this, to work, to get what we want. So Simon Ekpa said that he will do what Nnamdi Kanu couldn't do. Does not mean that he's trying to, discredit Nnamdi Kanu or to say that his inability to perform or something like that. That's not what it means. But here you see a post from Biafran Child. I don't normally like to mention his name, not because I hate him. I don't hate anybody. And people that know the channel know that I don't criticize people. I don't like to, discuss about people or bring people down. No, I'm just trying to say it the way it is to make it, to make things clear, for people that don't understand what is going on and the ulterior motive behind some posts and comment people make against each other. But deep down in your mind, you know that what you are saying is not true. Not even may not be true. It is not true. It is obviously not true. But you are saying this act of hatred that you have for the person at that moment. But at the end of it all, you may still come back to to realize that what you said about this person is not true. So what are you supposed to do then? Are you going to take your word back? It's not good. What real men do is to make sure that what they said is real. They curtail their words and always stand, by the truth. You don't say things that out of emotion. You don't say things out of emotion or say the way you feel at that moment because you may still regret it later. That makes you a man. You don't post something to criticize someone. Yes, you may have differences. It's allowed. It's normal. But when you are doing it, deliberately to hurt the person's feeling or to make sure that you paint the person black in public, without knowing that maybe later you will still want to come back to the same thing that person is doing that you criticized previously. So we need to be careful on what you do and what you say because not everything that you say is real. And even when you are making those posts, but out of anger, out of hatred, out of animosity, you are doing it believing that you are going to bring the person down. In Radio Biafra, which I don't normally like to call it Radio Biafra anymore because after all the controversial comments and fighting each other, they're making it that they're using the radio station for recently, it's not good for me to call it Radio Biafra. But for the sake of knowledge and general public, I have to use the word Radio Biafra. They were saying yesterday that Biafra Liberation Army was not able to do anything. In fact, they don't even believe in some of their posts and the comments. They don't believe that there's anything like Biafra Liberation Army. What they're trying to say is that all the video that Simon Ekpa posted and the pictures, flying on internet and all that, they are fake. To them, they say that civilians in Southeast, mobilized themselves and confronted Nigerian army. They were able to stop Nigerian army and made away with their, rifle and all their equipment and anything. I don't want to mention the name because of YT, but you know what I'm talking about. So they don't want to use the word or give credit to Biafran Liberation Army for no just reason. For no just reason. But we all know what happened. Okay, this is Simon Ekpa's tweet. If you go to his Twitter page, which is called X now, you will see those things and his comments, his post, trying to let you know where those things, comes from, and people that are behind it are Biafran Liberation Army. But due to anger and animosity, DOS members are busy trying to discredit the work and the effort because it comes from Simon Ekpa. And what they don't know is that people that watch those videos and read the comments, follow whoever they want to follow and all that, they have their own mind and their own brain, their eyes, they can sense, they can reason. You can try to deceive people every time, but one day, somehow, they will, arrive to realization that what you are saying all this long is a deceit. And how are you going to convince them again to believe you? Just like this post that has been made by one of the US members, China Sawolo, you will ask yourself, when and how are DOS building allies with any country of the world? If you know, maybe you have any information about the allies that DOS have with foreign countries or any part of any country of the world, please let us know in the comment section. Like I said, we are all learning, because maybe we don't have the information. You could have it. You may share it with us in the comment section, because to me, I don't know any country that DOS or IPOB of DOS have any connection or allies to. I don't think so. But if you do, please share with us. That is why I told some people that if you are wondering why a lot of people are following Simon Ekpa, they are doing that for a reason. They are doing that because once you compare and contrast, you will judge by yourself. I don't need to tell you anything because we all can see the post. I just want to bring it to your notice that some of the things they're saying is not true. They're doing it to make sure that they, blackmail the dragon. I'm not siding anybody, but I'm saying it the way it is. That is the truth. I'm saying it the way it is. We all know what is going on. And Biafra Child, in his post, you always can see anger. You can sense anger and bitterness. I don't know why. I don't know if he has any issue with Simon Ekpa previously, or is it what we are seeing, or is it this Biafra struggle that has led to this extent of this hatred, or is there any other thing that's going on that we don't know? I don't know. But please tell me what you think and what you feel about the video in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Your own side of the story. Let us know and we can learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a wonderful day and see you next in my video.